So now I will show you the power saving mode, sleep, how you can do it. So the first thing, you will write power option here. So when you write power option, you will click this one. Here you can see three options, okay, two options for screen. On battery power, turn off after 5 minutes. So my screen will be turned off after 5 minutes if I don't use it, okay. Then you can see another option, when plugged in, turn off after 10 minutes. So you can change also this one, okay. Then sleep, this is our option. Now sleep on battery power, when we are using battery, the PC must go to sleep after 15 minutes. So you can change it to 2 minutes or 3 minutes when it is on battery saver, okay. But if it is plugged in, then it will go to the sleep after 30 minutes. So you can do for both of them. For screen, how you can do it, if your screen is running on battery or power only, then according to this setting, after 5 minutes the screen will be turned off, okay. But if the screen is running on, if your computer is connected with the electricity, with the power, then the screen will be turned off after 10 minutes, okay, if you are not using it. Now sleep, in sleep, if you are using the battery power, the computer will go to sleep after 15 minutes. You can do it 2 minutes or 1 minute or 3 minutes as you wish. Or if your computer is plugged in, means charging, it will go to sleep after 30 minutes. So this is how you can do the changes for power saving. The second method is the hibernate method. Now in this method, the computer shuts down to save power, but first save all the open documents and running application in memory or hard drive. First it will save all the open applications, and then the computer will shut down. So when you restart, your desktop will exactly start from the place where you left. Okay, now steps to hibernate mode. First step is you will open the command prompt. So you can just simply type here command prompt. Now you can see this is command prompt. Now you will come here and run as administrator. So when you run it as administrator, click on it. Now you will click yes, then yes, okay. Now you can see the command prompt is opened here. Now in the command prompt you will type a command, and what is that command? You will type power cfg. So let's type it, power cfg /h space on. Then you will press enter. After that you will press exit, okay, and then you will press enter. Now once you do this, then what you will do, now you will open your control panel. After that, when you open your control panel, then you will click on power option. So just simply write here power option, power option. So now here you can see the power option menu. The previous method which I just showed you is little bit complicated, so I will teach you an easy method. So from here, just open the control panel, okay. then here you can type power option. Okay, now you click power option here. After you click the power option, this dialog box will appear. Now here you will click choose what the power button do. Now you can see these all options. Okay, now from here you will click choose what the power button do. So you click here, then this dialog box will appear. Now here you will click change settings that are currently unavailable. So when you click this, now here from here you can go to hibernate. You can see this hibernate. You will just tick this checkbox. After checking it, then you will click save changes. So when you do this, then your computer will go to hibernate mode. Now we have a high order thinking question. Differentiate between the functions of computer memory and computer storage. Now remember students, computer memory is the RAM, random access memory, and computer storage is the hard disk. So what is the difference between their function? The main difference between their function is that computer memory is volatile, means RAM is volatile. It means that when you turn off your computer, all the data will be lost from the RAM, while the computer storage, hard disk, is permanent, means when you save a data in the hard disk, it will never be erased. It will remain until you want. So this is one of the main difference between these two. So you can also find out some other differences and enlist them here. Plenary. So words I have learned. What words I have learned? We have learned about Continuum, we have learned about thumbnail, we have learned about virtual assistant, and what learning objectives we have completed. Now we can explain the new features of Windows. We can also run a video on the Windows Media Player, and we also know how to rip a computer CD and how to burn a computer CD. We also know how to enable the sleep mode or how to enable the hibernate mode. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much.